Year 2025, the heartbeat of the world is faster than ever. The air is hot, the soil is dry, and the sky is veiled in haze. Thermometers are breaking record after record, and experts no longer hesitate. This is the hottest year in recorded human history. But the real question remains, is this just a natural phenomenon, or is it our doing? Scientists report that in the past 12 months, Earth's average temperature has risen plus 1.58 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, a threshold that the Paris Climate Agreement warned we must never cross. Record heat is no longer something seen only on maps. It is something we all feel every day. City streets in Europe are melting. Nights in South Asia no longer cool down. Water sources across Africa are disappearing. The world is trying to breathe inside a furnace. In July 2024, the city of Sevilla in Spain reached 52 degrees Celsius. In India, people cannot go outside during the day. In the western United States, heat waves are destroying millions of acres of forest, and these extreme temperatures aren't just threatening nature, they are threatening economies, public health, and social stability. Crops are withering, energy grids are failing, people collapse even while standing in the shade, and each year, the heat comes sooner, and it hits harder. Meanwhile, a silent catastrophe unfolds at the poles. Arctic and Antarctic ice sheets are now at their lowest levels in recorded history. Every piece of ice that melts accelerates global warming, because bright ice reflects sunlight back into space, but dark ocean water absorbs heat. Less ice means more heat. More heat means even less ice, a self-reinforcing chain reaction. Scientists call it a feedback loop. Nature calls it a warning. As the Earth warms, the climate system begins to shift. In the Pacific, El Niño intensifies storms. South America faces floods. Asia endures severe droughts. When temperatures rise in one region, weather patterns thousands of kilometers away begin to change. No country, no city is untouched by this crisis. This is truly global. So how did we get here? The answer is simple and painful. Since the Industrial Revolution, humanity has released trillions of tons of carbon dioxide into the air. Factories, cars, power plants. Together, they have wrapped the planet in an invisible blanket, one that traps heat and warms everything beneath it. Now the Earth is presenting the bill. Nature doesn't speak with words. It speaks with disasters, with fires, with floods, with drought. Its message is clear. Stop. You are at the limit. Some places are already becoming unlivable. Islands sinking beneath rising seas. Millions of people forced to leave their homes. This is no longer just a climate crisis. It is a human crisis. But there is still hope, because history has shown us something important. Humanity can rise again, even in the heart of a crisis. Renewable energy is growing faster than ever. Solar and wind power are now the cheapest forms of energy in many regions. Cities are turning their rooftops green. Nations are setting carbon-neutral targets. Every tree planted, every panel installed, every conscious choice helps cool the future. 2025 may be remembered as the hottest year in history, but it could also be remembered as a turning point, A year when humanity chose to reconnect with the planet. Because change does not begin with governments alone. It begins with us. Consume less, create more, protect nature, and we protect life. This planet is our home, and right now, it is calling for our help. Subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll meet again in the next chapter.